We were sent this pack of cloud balloons for our review, and they do not disappoint. It comes with 36, which is really great if you are decorating a large area. You can blow these up by mouth. You can use helium. You can use an air pump. One of the things that I've noticed right off the bat, it's interesting because they are really durable, but they are extremely stretchy. I absolutely hate trying to tie a knot in a blown up balloon because it always hurts. But watch this. This one is so easy. So first of all, look at those cute little cloud designs on there. Super adorable. Perfect for a baby shower. Any kind of theme party, really, to be honest. So look how big this is. I can actually keep on going. It feels so thin, yet it is so durable. And look how much stretch I have in there. It makes it so simple to tie that. That is the worst part about blowing up a balloon, tying it. That was so simple. As you can see, it's got some really great shape. Nice bounce. My dog absolutely loves balloons and he's trying to get at this one here. But yeah, if you need some balloons with some really cute designs, highly recommend.